Hi guys, good evening. Today date is 2nd February 2022 and I am Suhail Khalid. Today I am discuss on the topic constructor in Java. So let's start. What is constructor? Constructor is a special type of method which name is same as our class name. What is the main purpose of constructor? The main purpose of constructor is it is used to it is used for initialize the object. Every Java class has a constructor, and constructor is called at the time when object initialize and object creation. When we create object, then constructor is called automatic. Constructor has constructor has a no return type, and has a constructor never contain any return type. And why it not contain any return type? There are two main reasons for it not contain any return type. First reason is if I said constructor is used to initialize the object, and if we use to initialize the object as a constructor is used to initialize the object, then the value of object is initialized, and if once value of object is initialized, then after it no return. And second thing is the if we do not create a constructor, then the constructor is created by the compiler and it is default constructor. And if compiler create a constructor, then it does not able to give a return type to this constructor, because return type is gives by the user and programmer. Hence, that are two reasons constructor does not contain a return type. Then next one is the type of constructors. Mainly three types of constructors are available. First one is default constructor, and second one is no argument constructor, and third one is parameterized constructor. Then we see step by step and one by one. Then first we see default constructor. Default constructor is name self indicated. Default means it is a system. Default means it is a system generated. The meaning of default word is system generated. Here, if we do not create any constructor in our class, then and we if we do not create any constructor in our class and we initialize the object and create object, then at that time compiler creates its own constructor, and this constructor is known as default constructor. In that, the constructor, if we give instance value like int a and like string b, then the default constructor, and if you want to print this a and b on a console, then at that time if we write sysout and print a, and if we write sysout and print b, then on a console we give a return and we give a output from the console, and we see on console it is printed by 0 and null. Then where the 0 and null comes from? Here the default constructor is initialize the value of our instance variable, and in that we take int and we take string. There is a default value is int for there is a default value for int is 0, and default value of string for and default value for string is null. Then it is a work of default constructor. Second constructor name is no argument constructor. No argument constructor is same as, and its working also same as default constructor, but only difference in difference in default constructor and no argument constructor is the default constructor is created or generated by own compiler and own system, but no argument constructor is created by the user or programmer. In that default constructor, the working is totally same, totally same with the default constructor. Which how works default constructor? It's no argument constructor is also work like as a default constructor. And third one is parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is this constructor. In that constructor, we create a constructor that, like, if we create a student class, then our constructor name is student, and after it we give round braces, and in that round braces we provide a data. We provide a data like any instance. We provide a data like in short, long, what we have to do, what we want to do this data for the method or for the our instance variable and for the our object. Then if here we are pass the data, here we are pass the data for the object. Like if we write student and if we use the two round braces, and in that round braces we write 5 or int 5 or int a or string a string b, like we want whatever we want. Then the the here there the constructor is, and the parameterized constructor is, it is passes this value to the object, and hence it's known as a parameterized constructor, because here is a we give parameters to the for the our object. Okay, thank you.